Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Campervan. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with your smartphone app. In the beginning, from the Play Store or App Store on the iPhone, download Garmin Drive app. Open it and now select navigation device. Continue. Skip for now. And if you've got your Garmin Campervan connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth, it will be automatically paired with the app. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.